Welcome to Raydar. Click the Connect button. Go to the other tab and select Okx Tr. Name your account, for example, Okx Tr account. Now switch to the Okx Tr exchange. Hover over the profile icon and click on API. Click the plus Create a PI key button. Name the API Raydar. In the permissions section, select Only Read. Right below, set your passphrase, which is crucial for the connection, and confirm. After completing the security verification, copy the generated API key and paste it into Raydar. Then, copy and paste the secret key. Crucial step. Enter the passphrase you just set on Okx Tr into the password field on Raydar. Accept the privacy agreement and click Connect. Congratulations! Your Okx Tr account is successfully connected.